Kaon ta kay lamig ang soup. Hello everyone! So today's vlog guys, ubanon ta mo sa among flight no kay mag-flight man ta. Bitaw guys, so early in the morning guys, naglakaw nami padulong sa airport. Tapos first snowstorm na mo na karon nga adlaw guys, kay mo pa jud paglakaw na mo nag-snow pa jud. Mulakaw lagi gikan Mulakaw mulaya sa Canada kay storm ni paghuman kay naapoy bagyo dagan kay sa Pilipinas agoy. So karon guys kay 1 hour pa gani ang biyahe mo stop over na pud kay sige ra batag pangihi sa kiti ani. I did not bring money. So nahapit na mi naabot na jud mi guys, naabot na mi sa airport ani guys. So do pa na ni siya mga 5 na ni guys. Sayo kay mi naabot syempre basta early bird that. Stop at early bird jud. Unsa daw pataka ra mag istorya. Pinas, here we come. We're here at the airport.
Okay, you need baggage cards.
Mom, get my backpack.
You have to wait. It's raining.
You mean the snowman, Mom?
Is it snowing or raining?
It's not snow.
You can go in?
What?
You can go in?
Into that part.
Oh. Snowing. It's cold.
Good thing that you put salt.
I'm cold. I'm cold. Are you excited?
Do you have the other phone with you?
Yeah.
Do you have the
Oh, Bluetooth.
for the other phone that you have?
We're still early. We're early, guys. So yung flight namin is 9.
Can you turn it on?
Mom, you should tell someone. Where's our flight?
Just check in here. We're not checking. Then you'll put your bag down. They'll be back.
Okay.
We'll help you.
Okay, thank you. Niuli na po na kumbana guys, kay igura po niya gihato diha ano, niya pagkahuman mag-check-in on ta mi guys kay nanobra man ang amo ang mga luggage kay si pangkuhaan na po damo. Kay dili man na mo sulod dito sa kuan pag check-in nimo dili po nimo na timing jud kaning kilos nga dapat po dito
Is that the one with all the candy in it?
Automatic na guys. So kay sila na mag-scan tapos dili pud siya masulod o bugat po na over sa weight. So human nami og pamtanggal og unsay mga naa diha nga bugat. Ipamalhin na namo ug sa ibalhin.
Do you have those little...
Oh my God!
Yeah, so you can scan them and throw them up. No? Okay.
They were done here.
Yeah, in the Philippines.
Go, boo.
Oh, it's also stop. It's also stop when there's stop. Where's Ori? Ori, come over here. Ori, come here. Naghihintay na kami dito sa may waiting area guys. So our flight is 9 and it's 7 now. So kanina guys nagtanggal ako ng mga ibang luggage, laman ng luggage ko guys. Nakalimutan ko bawal pala yung mga more than 100 ml na mga kung ano-ano pa yan. So
Why is this ready, Mom? Why are buttons here? I thought we put it in there.
no. So guys, naiwan yung marami akong lotion na nilagay sa check-in luggage ko. And then saglit check-in luggage ko at saka Nutella. Ako wala Nutella yung bumili ko. Magagalit na naman yun.
We have 4. There's one in the big.
So naghintay kami dito guys. May naiwan ako doon. Bahala na yun. Hindi ako nasasaktan. Hindi naman ako kain nun eh. Okay, sige lagi. Bye. think? Are you hungry?
Yeah. No, but what happened to our plane? It's gone.
Bili muna tayo ng kape guys kasi hindi tayo magpa-function pag walang kape-kape. 3 AM pa kami, 2, alas 2 pa talaga ako nagising kanina, tapos dumating kami dito sa airport mga 5:30 and now it's already 7. No, it's not 7, it's 8. It's 8 already and I haven't eaten yet. Gutom ako. Pero gusto ko lang ng kape. Ang daming naglinya.
You say 63?
Oh, this is huge.
Oh my God, Mom! This is the safest spot on the plane, the middle, right here. Woo! Where the wings are.
What is it? This is the safest flight. First plane.
You already have this.
Ori.
Explain over the different changes in the attack. They are functioning out over the
Dagan guys kaya habit na akong oras. Habit na may malate sa mga connecting flight from Vancouver to Seoul. Suko na siya guys. Malit na daw. Sige na kung video.
I can still see some.
Tired? You tired? Finally guys, nakasip na rin. Natakbo kami kanina kasi malilate na kami.
Mom, when are we boarding?
We're in Vancouver.
Mommy, I thought.
So, kaya gusto ko yung Korean guys kasi may mga free sila sleeper, may blanket, at saka may headset na free.
How do I turn
Gaya
it on?
Dito sa Air Canada, bibilhin mo pa. Bumili kami ng AirPods kanina din sa sa Air Canada plane. May pachinelas pa pwede pag maganito. May pa-blanket pa, diba? Saan ka ba? Fly na!
Go.
Look who's happy. He got a freebie. And he like his headphone.
Gotta keep the standards.
Fly. Do we need slippers?
So where are we going?
Seoul,
Seoul,
Korea.
Korea. I miss Seoul. I miss
Fly.
Korea.
What?
We have free food.
We do?
Yes.
I'm giving this plane a quintillion out of a quintillion. This is the best plane in the world. Well, Korea is one of my favorite places to go. Mom, I
Two
hate.
more flights. We're going to Korea and then Korea to Manila, then Manila to Gummy. Who wants gummy? You want gummy?
What?
You want gummy?
Yes.
I-update kita mo guys on site. Muna yes. Guys, muna gusto pa siya. Guys, muna tambal sa long hours flight. Gummy. Wala ka sana? I also need that one. Update. 5 o'clock na sa Korea. Happy na may mag-landing. 40 minutes na lang. Ako na kag na way tulog. Hello, isa. Pero okay lang kay daka na pag foods. Landing in Korea, guys.
Careful when opening the overhead bins as items may fall out. Thank you for choosing Korea Air, a member of SkyTeam, and we hope to see you again soon.
Dito na naman kami sa transfer, guys. Nagmamadali. 276. Madali na naman kami. We made it to Korea. So, kakate na namin. Mag-boarding na agad. Ganon ka-tight yung ano namin, guys. Ganon ka-tight yung hour namin. Yung time. Paglapag sa aeroplano, boarding agad. Nagtatakbo pa na. Oh my God. Ako na yung katalang lupa. Wala pang tulog. Wala, guys. Walang ulan. Wala ko may ulan. Kasi di ba may bagyo?
So we're in Philippines?
Yes. We're in the Philippines.
Wait, Mom. No, I never even saw the typhoon. Wait, Mom. Wait, is it typhoon and
I don't know.
I think it is. Because there's no typhoon.
Dito na kami sa Manila, guys. We just landed. Ito na kami immigration, nag-baggage, and then ano na naman, check-in na naman for Davao. Guys, it's what time is it?
10:30.
12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock in the...
No, it's 13 o'clock. Now you want to
Hey.
What drink is this?
Pineapple.
What drink is this, Mom? I want to make a video that's like this. No, I need... No, second one.
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping.
For our weather information, weather at Davao has been reported to be fair. Ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius. On behalf of Cebu Pacific, we would like to thank you for flying with us and we will be of service to you again in your future flights.
We are here in Davao, guys. We are here in Davao. Sister! Oo nga no. Is it hot? Hi everyone! So guys, abot kami sa Davao, guys. So we're heading home na sa Tagum. So here's my driver. This is Drizzle. And here's my mga time BFF. And my sisteress. Hi, welcome. Mga mukhang ano-ano. Oh. Yes, of course. We're excited to unpack all the things. Yes, guys. You bring for us. They're actually excited for my stuff I brought from Canada.
I had such good
excited that I came home just for the stuff. We're just excited for Ori and TJ, and her presence is
I'm trying to get
not that important. Second hand. Second emotion. Okay guys, see you later. We're gonna unpack our stuff later. So driving to Tagum City na guys, where we stay, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Sa para sa sisters guys, muna akong sister nanay mo kayo siya. Next, you already meet Aisam? Huh?